Hello friends, myself Nimisha. Welcome to ACE Academy. Question is explain why 7 multiplied by 11 plus 13 and 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 plus 5 are composite numbers. So we have to give reason why these two numbers are composite number, that is 7 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 13 plus 13 is composite number, and also 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 plus 5 are composite number. So before solving this example, let us know what do you mean by composite number. So what are composite numbers? A composite number is a positive integer that has more than two factors, including 1 and the number itself. So the numbers which has more than two factors, they are called as a composite number. For example, so factors of 9 are 1, 3, 9. Question is explain why 7 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 13 plus 13 and 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 plus 5 are composite numbers. So we have to explain, or we have to give the reason why these numbers are composite number. Why 7 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 13 plus 13 is composite number, and also 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 plus 5 is also composite number. So we give reason one by one. First we take example of 7 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 13 plus 13. So 7 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 13 plus 13 is equal to, now we can take 13 as common here. So if you take 13 as common, then we get 7 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 1 plus 1. Now 13 is multiplied by 11 sevens are 77 plus 1. Now 13 is multiplied by 78 because 77 plus 1 is 78. Now when 13 is multiplied by 78, we get answer as 1014. So 1014 means 1014. Now 1014 can be expressed as product of its prime factors. So to find its prime factors, we use prime factorization method. So we can write here as 1014. We draw vertical line. Now smallest prime number is 2. Division is possible with 2. 2 5s are 10. 0. 2 7s are 14. Now next prime number is 3 and division is possible with 3. So we get 169 as quotient. Now division is not possible with 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. It is possible with 13. Now when 169 is divided by 13, we get quotient as 13. So 13 is prime number. So 13 is divided by the number itself. So 13 ones are 13. So we can write 1014 as product of its prime factors. That is, it is the product of 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 13. Therefore, 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 13. So here you can see that 1014 has more factors other than 1 and the number itself, that is 1014 itself. Therefore, it is composite number. So we can write here as, since 1014 has more factors, that is 2, 3, 13 and 13 other than 1 and 1014. Therefore, it is a composite number. Now we prove our next part, that 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 plus 5 is also composite number. So this can be expressed as If you take 5 as common, then inside the bracket we get 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 plus 1. So 5 is multiplied by 7 6 are 42, 4 3 are 12, 12 2 are 24. So 42 multiplied by 24 plus 1. When 42 is multiplied by 24, we get 1008, that is 1008 plus 1. So inside bracket we get 1009. Now 5 is multiplied by 1009, we get 5045. Now we can write 5045 as product of its prime factors. So to write this as a product of its prime factors, we have to do prime factorization of 5045. Now division is not possible with 2 and also with 3. So division is possible with 5. 5 ones are 5, 0. 5 nines are 45. So 1009 is a prime number. So it divided by the number itself. So 1009 is divided by 1009. We get quotient as 1. We write 1 below 1009. So 5045 can be written as 5 multiplied by 1009. So we can see here that factors of 5045 are 5 and 1009. Means it has more than two factors other than 1 and 5045. Therefore it is a composite number. Therefore we can write here as, since 5045 has more factors that is 5 and 1009 other than 1 and 5045. So 5045 has more factors, that is 5 and 1009 other than 1 and 5045. Therefore it is a composite number. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Please like and subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get more updates. Thanks for watching it.